Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter how hard you try, your income just won't grow? Like you're trapped in survival mode, while others seem to be getting ahead? Here's the truth. Wealth isn't just for the lucky or the privileged. Even if you're starting with absolutely nothing, no money, no connections, no fancy degrees, you can build wealth. And in this video, I'll show you how. The first step isn't about money. It's about your mindset. You've got to believe that your current situation doesn't define your future. Let me tell you about Chris Gardner, the man behind The Pursuit of Happiness. He was homeless, sleeping in subway bathrooms with his son. But he didn't stay there. He changed his mindset. He believed he could do more, learn more, be more. He worked hard, got into finance, and eventually became a millionaire. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to be the one who refuses to quit. Write this down. I will outwork everyone, outlearn everyone, and outlast every challenge. That's where wealth begins, in your head. Part 2. Income first, then wealth. Let's clear something up. Before you build wealth, you have to grow your income. No income, no investment, no savings, no freedom. So your first mission is simple. Find ways to earn more money. Here's how. Even if you're starting with nothing. 1. Sell a skill. Everyone has something they can offer. Can you speak English well? Offer tutoring online. Can you clean well? Start a small cleaning gig. Can you cook? Offer home meals to busy neighbors. Start with what you know. Charge low. Build trust. Then raise your rates. 2. Learn a high-income skill. Use free tools like YouTube, Coursera, even TikTok to learn skills like graphic design, copywriting, social media management, basic coding, video editing. You don't need a degree. You need consistency. Dedicate 1 hour a day for 6 months. You'll be shocked what you can learn. Look up Kelvin Doe, a boy from Sierra Leone who built his own radio station using scrap parts. He taught himself engineering from junk. You don't need resources. You need resourcefulness. Part 3. Multiply, not just make. Once you start making more money, it's time to make your money work for you. Wealth doesn't come just from income. It comes from multiplying income. Here's how. 1. Budget ruthlessly. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a spending problem. Track every dollar. Save a portion, even if it's just $1 a day. 2. Invest in what you understand. Start small. Save in mobile apps or cooperatives. Buy small stock shares. Invest in yourself. Books, courses, mentorship. Example. Patrick Bet-David fled Iran during war. Came to the US with nothing. He started by reading, selling insurance, and investing every cent back into himself. Now, he's worth millions. Part 4. The power of community. No one builds wealth alone. Find a community. Surround yourself with people who are learning, growing, and pushing forward. Even online. Join forums. Watch educational YouTube. Listen to podcasts instead of gossip. Remember, if you're the smartest person in your circle, you're in the wrong circle. Part 5. Patience and consistency. Let's be real. This won't happen in 30 days. This is a 3 to 5 year journey, minimum. But if you stick with it, if you choose growth over comfort, learning over partying, discipline over distractions, you will look back one day and say, I used to be broke. Now I'm free. J.K. Rowling wrote Harry Potter while broke, raising a child, and struggling with depression. She wrote a little every day. Now, billionaire. Small daily efforts, done consistently, beat massive one-time efforts You don't need money to start. You don't need luck. You just need the decision. I'm done surviving. I'm ready to grow. Because wealth isn't just about having more, it's about becoming more. If this video gave you hope, leave a comment below. I'm on the journey. And don't forget to subscribe, because here, we don't just talk money, we talk transformation.